It's Friday. Another week of work done. Back out in the woods, going to throw some axes. Yep, that's right. You heard it. Axes. I've brought about 4 or 5 up today. Back at the axe throwing spot, and there are mushrooms everywhere. Right, let's get set up and I'll show you what I got. Oh, I do love this place. Today I brought way too many axes. Scrap that. There's no such thing as way too many axes. And I've also bought axes of different sizes. Oh, and last but not least, I've got this little thing as well. And pick a tree. This plantation has loads of trees, and many of them are marked for felling. Look at the state of this. These are poisonous. Right, start off with the smallest one. It's going to be the hardest one to throw. I'm not used to throwing something so small. I have to make some small adjustments to make sure this goes in. There we go, see? That cute little axe. Okay, right, let's try something else. Right, next one up is like a small hand axe, and then I've got my Italian throwing axe as well. See how these work. If you're lucky enough, you can find 2 trees that are reasonably close together. You can practice throwing backwards and forwards, just working on technique. It's important to relax when you're throwing an axe. Oh, that rhymes. I mean, that's pretty low. Let's get the next one a little bit higher. Nice. Right, cool. Next one is a long shot. So let's see if I can hit the tree on the right hand side of the screen. First time, let's get this. Well, I hit it, it didn't stick. And the reality is sometimes you will be picking your axe up off the floor when you go throwing an axe. It's not always going to stick in the tree. That is the aim. Nice. And that really satisfying feeling. Pull it out from the tree. Right, time to enjoy the sunset.